Hi, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. So today we're going to do something I've been wanting to do since I bought the laser. First, I've cut a flap off the box. We're using corrugated cardboard and not a thin cardboard. We want to have that extra depth of the cardboard when we're making our jig here. So that was really good camera work right there, but that sounded great for you guys, you folks. So we're going to take an orange wash band because I love orange. At the farmer's market, I'm the weird woodworker in orange, and the other woodworkers at the other end of the field from me. So I'm making an orange wash band to go with my orange shirt when I'm at the farmer's market. So this is going to be a fun little project. What we're going to do is we're going to cut this silhouette out of the cardboard. Then we're going to take the cardboard out, lay the wash bands in, and give it a shot. We bought a template on Etsy for making Vice President Harris wash bands for my mom, and a couple of her friends wanted them. And we're making some wash bands for some other people for fun. We're not selling these guys, but I feel like it's going to be a fun project. So let's give this a shot and see how it comes out. And if you can't tell, I like steampunk stuff. I also do a lot of Comic-Cons. So the settings I'm going to use for this, I'm going to use my where is it? Cardboard. And my cardboard settings are 180 for speed and 60 for power. And then just measure your cardboard for thickness. I'm going to ignore the words right now, because all we're going to do first is cut out the jig for us to make this piece. Alright, looks going to be 44 seconds. Let's go cut this piece of cardboard out. Alright guys, so I'm just going to take one of our needling tools here and hold the base cardboard and pop these two little pieces out. Without moving anything. I got 6 pins in here. I'm going to push my piece in. I don't know why this one is a little tight, but this one's a perfect fit. Yes, I've done this once before. That's why there's 2 flaps missing off the box. Alright, and that's it. Close the laser and we'll set up the next section to run. Anything after we close the lid. It looks like we're going to run over one of the dots there, but I don't care. Now, from an experiment we did earlier today, we know that we don't want to adjust anything. Even though it looks like we're a little bit off, don't mess with it. This was a very uncomfortable lesson and one wonky design. So I'm going to ignore this now. We're going to come up here, set the engrave settings on this to watch band. And these settings I have are 600 for the speed, 75 for the power. My lines per inch are 675, and my set focus height is 0.108. And we're doing this all in one pass. Okay, let's cross our fingers here, guys, and hope this works well. And in case you're wondering, there's someone else in the room with me today while I'm shooting video, and that's why I was laughing at my camera so hard. Alright guys, I'm going to have faith in my laser, and I'm not going to move my name. No matter how much I desperately want to move that and center it better. Like, I really want to move that. Like, really bad. Okay guys, so if I mess this up, I'm still putting it on camera, and we're ordering another watch band. Alright, let's go run this and see how it comes out, guys. Alright, so when the watch bands come out, if you look at them, we can get it to focus here. There is a thick layer of ash on top of the watch band. So next thing we're going to do is take these to the kitchen sink, and we're going to wash the ash out, and then we're going to put paint on them. and we'll see how they come out. Wish me luck. Okay, that is cool. I love it. Doug's Basement Workshop. Oh, this way. Doug's Basement Workshop. And I put gears on the other side. I go to a lot of Comic-Cons, do a lot of the steampunky stuff for the Comic-Cons, making magic wands and stuff. Alright, I love this. These watch bands worked perfectly. They feel good. They took the paint pretty well. I think the paint is more of us learning how to paint. So here's what we used. We used Sharpie paint pens. Remember, this is our first time doing it, so go look around at some other videos and who else is doing this and what they're using. What kind of paint pens work best. I have heard on some of the forums and on Facebook that some of the paint pens don't hold up well, the paint fades over time, or it wears off, and that may be the type of paint that you're using and the type of watch band. But I love this. I love the band, I love the color, I absolutely love the color. Alright, so I'm going to throw some links down below for where I got my art and my templates from, and where I bought my watch bands. Actually, I'm going to send this to the person who I bought them from and see if they want to put their information down below. So I'm not giving stuff out that they may not want this. So it's an Etsy seller, so go check out Etsy, find some cool designs, and make yourself something fun, guys. Alright, remember, have fun and laser on. Oh, like and subscribe too. The little thumbs up button right there.